This is a revolutionary piece of equipment that, if you work with ceiling tiles, is going to change your life. Meet the Arrow 2-foot RevealCut Ceiling Tile Workstation. Gone are the days of hand cutting. This will give you factory quality cuts in an unbelievably quick time frame, with up to 72 unique cut configurations. Arrow have created the first ever and only blades specifically for cutting ceiling tiles. With RevealCut, you'll be able to cut up to 200 tiles before needing to replace a single blade, saving time, minimizing waste, and lowering the risk of accidents. But it's not just about the blades. Precision matters. With fine adjustments to an accuracy of 1/16 of an inch, you can get a perfect fit every time, ensuring a seamless finish without the hassle. Need to make repeat cuts or linear lighting openings? This built-in jig system makes it fast and effortless, cutting down on setup time and ensuring consistency across multiple tiles. And because efficiency is everything, the fold-out design and supplied carry case mean you can take it anywhere without disrupting your workspace. With 30-second cuts, 80% fewer blade changes, and true factory quality reveal edge cuts, the Arrow 2-foot RevealCut isn't just a tool, it's a must-have for the ceiling tile installation industry. You can check it out now at its.co.uk.